viewers all over the world, as you already know my name, Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochitube Norifte, ma ọ bụkwa m Akachukwu. Abịa m n'oge program Philosophy and Life. Philosophy and Life bụ oge anyị ji analyze amamihe nke ụwa, na-akọwado gị ihe na-eme na ndụ, ihe ị ga-eji wee mụta ihe. Now, o nwere ihe chọrọ ka react to it. Ọ bụrụ na you pay attention, you will learn something that will change your life. Ihe chọrọ ka react to it bụ ihe gbasara the outburst between very dark man and the GT. Some of his followers are calling for total shutdown of GT Bank. Let me tell you, Eze-Ana about witchcraft. When you become self-centered and trying to withhold someone. Let me tell you one thing. Let's take the case based on their claims. Now, the claims from very dark man group, they are alleging that GT Bank delayed their master for 5 minutes so that EFCC will carry their master. Now, let's assume you have been going to bank and so many other things might make it possible for you to be delayed in the bank. It have happened to you or me various times and nobody was accused. Okay, let's assume that he was delayed just for 5 minutes for those people to come. Now, do you realize that GT Bank is a private sector that works under the laws of CBN? Do you know? Do you know that without complying with the government institution, that their license will be revoked? Do you know? Do you know that if you are government establishment or you are under government supervision and a direct call was put to you that based on their information and what the person in question said, he made it in open that he's going to go to GT Bank to confront for one thing or the other against some reduction from his mother account. Now, he is the one that made it public that he's going to GT Bank. That is one. So he is the one that even alerted the general public that he is going to social place. Now, are you now blaming the management of GT Bank if call from above directed them that once the social person, wanted person comes to your bank, let us know? If you are the one that runs an establishment that is under law and you will not obey the law that supervises your operations, is it possible? Now, how come on earth we are blaming GT Bank? Are you now blaming them, saying that they should not comply with CBN or the other institutions that supervise them, so that they will have problem with the power that be, or probably that their certificate of operation will be withdrawn? Before you judge some certain things, put yourself in that shoe. Then let me come to the defense of the GT Bank. Based on the footage I saw online, they made it possible us to know that the particular arrest was never done inside the banking premises. So if the young man have already told the whole world that he's going to GT Bank, and the authorities that have been looking for him maybe ambush him along the road close to GT Bank on his way home and arrested him, how come you are blaming GT Bank? Yes. Then another thing I want to chip in is that if this man has any reason for EFCC to ask for him. What is stopping him from answering their call? Now, if for any reason they are coming to arrest him in that manner, probably we have not heard from the side of the government agency. Maybe they have invited him. I'm saying maybe. But what I'm saying in essence is this. In this country, anybody can be invited. Anybody can be arrested. Yes. Anybody can be invited. Anybody can be arrested. However, if there is any form of manhandling or beating, that one, I can't talk about that one because I did not see any video evidence. However, resisting arrest can attach forcefully bundling you inside the vehicle. Once whoever that want to arrest you showed you warrant of arrest and identify themselves and they are law enforcement agency quietly as a gentleman, yes, and as a role model, you follow them. The only thing you make request is that you would like to speak to your lawyer. That is normal thing. So are you now saying his followers, I'm asking you people this question, are you now saying that he's above the law? Are you now saying that if there is any problem, maybe the government agency want to know exactly what he does for a living, how he makes his money, as in how he makes his money? Everybody in Nigeria can be invited. Yes, for questioning. If you are invited and you make your phone available, make your place available, they search you and everything, and they found you that you didn't commit any offense, they will allow you to go. I told you in my previous times that many years ago, about 2 years ago now, some of my friends and fans and some of them sent huge amount of money for me, over $1 million for Christmas and other stuff. For thank you. Now I told myself, let me use this money to buy rice and share to people, which I did. So, but I don't even know that after sharing the rice, one morning, the drug people came to my house. That they would like to search my house. I permitted them. They did all their searchings. It's okay, I should follow them to their office. That their mother would like to see me. I followed them. After checking my phone, do their investigations, the same day they allow me to go. So I can tell you, in Nigeria or any government at all can actually invite you or arrest you for questioning, and probably look at your phone, look at your calls you are making, to ascertain that you are not a problem to the society, and they will allow you go. So my question now is it necessary for some of your fans, his fans that is calling, let us shut down GT Bank? Do you know the economic consequence of doing that? I have been banking with GT Bank over 20 years. And I can tell you I can never close my account with them for now. For the fact that they did not hurt me in any way. And I cannot close my account with GT Bank just because the followers of very lack man are calling for people to close their account. I will not close mine. You know, are you getting me? Now, I have my reasons why for now they are not hurting me. I'm enjoying their services for now. I'm not their spokesman, but I want to tell you the implication. Do you know that if you are calling to destroy somebody's long years of hard work, do you know that GT Bank you are saying is someone's vision? Have you think the damage will damage his image, his hard work over the years, decades of years, because of a simple mass arrest? Is there anybody that is above the law? Yes. So how come you are blaming GT Bank? What I'm telling you that GT Bank, they are under the law that they can make it possible for their supervising agency to see the transactions and whatever that is happening within their banking premises. Have you think about thousands of people that will lose their job? Do you know that there is so many families, thousands of families that depends on their salary they earn from GT Bank? Do you know? So because of one person, you want to throw all those people jobless? Is it what they're telling me? Okay. Now, do you know that the founders of that GT Bank have the interest of the masses at heart? They created a platform that put food on people's table. So because of your man, you want to throw those people jobless? Are you kidding me? Is there any justice doing so? You are just being selfish, talking about your self-ego, hanging shoulder. Then because of that, you want to destroy an institution. Do you know how many people you will put in poverty if eventually you shut the bank down? What their gains? What the gain? Yes, before you do some certain things, check the gain and the loss. The gain is just for you to hang your shoulder. What is the gain? What I'm saying is that if your master, the person you are defending, has any fraud case with EFCC, you should go and face it. You should go and tell them what he does for a living. You should go and tell them how he makes his money. You should go and tell them everything. Since he told us that his NGO is not making a dime from his NGO, then the money he spent personally, how does he make it? Every Nigerian can be questioned. You, even me can be invited. Yes. 2 ways to make money legitimately is either you are providing services or you are selling goods. So if he is providing services and get paid, no problem. If he is selling goods and make profit, no problem. So agent of government can invite you and question you. I know some of his fans will come after me. I don't bloody care. The truth, I must say the truth because I'm Eze-Ana, I'm a title man. I will always say the truth the way it is. My own concern is attacking GT Bank. So if you are defending him, ask him, because if it's because of altercation or making videos in the banking hall, I can tell you it's police matter. This is civil matter. Ordinary police can stop him or even arrest him. But once you get to EFCC, it means that maybe cyber stalking or whatever is involved. So let's allow the government agency to look into the matter and make their claims as in charge. Let them make their own charge so that we know. So you know who we are defending, if actually the person is right. And I can tell you, if after investigation and he did not commit or have any skeleton in his cupboard, believe in me, they will set him free. So why are you attacking another institution, GT Bank? That's my problem. You want to combo another man's vision of hard work for many years is unfair. It's born out of jealousy. That is born out of carelessness. So I will not, and I'm calling on men of goodwill not to just close your account for a simple reason of this kind of thing. Yes. GT Bank or any other bank is under the command of federal institutions. Yes. If order was given to them, they will obey it. Now, what our question should be, this person EFCC is looking for, do they have any security in his cupboard? That's your question. Then let me stop here. But my own is that no matter what, don't consider shutting down GT Bank, and never you contribute anywhere, either by protest or by any form, to put asunder in another man's effort over the years. It is not good before fairness and before God. Let me stop here.